Hello, today we are going to discuss insert records. Now we are going to see here. This is Oracle insert operator. Using insert operator, we are going to insert a record in staging table. Insert single expression. Okay, single expression. How we are going to insert? For example, I am going to right click, just wait here, going to right click, export. Okay, here use finish. Okay, I am going to insert one record in copy. Just I am going to copy, just here I am going to insert one record. Okay, where is just I am going to copy this one record, Control C. Okay, worksheet I am going to close. Just I am going to down, Control V. Now I am going to insert one record in staging table. Before insert, I am going to check count. Okay, select count star count from table name. Okay, order 1. See here 4. Now I am going to see here insert one record. See, insert, just I am going to see again. See here count is 5. This way we are going to insert one record. Same way I am going to insert multiple records in suppliers. See here, just same way I am going to see here supplier. This is a supplier. Just see here count is 15. Just here this is a select supplier ID from supplier insert. In this table we are inserting a supplier table from one record. Order records we are going to insert. Click here. See here what happened, suppliers ID 30 and 31. Now we are going to see count 5 here, count 15 before 15. Insert from 30 and 32. Just I am going to check here what he done. Insert with single records, insert multiple records, both supplier details. Now common entries will be written in result. Here common entries it is going to return. Okay, common entries. Where is here common entries? We are going to see. Insert, it will show common entries. See here 30, 31 records it showing supplier table. Same way I am going to see here in this. See here 30 and 31 common entries will show this insert. Here insert operator. Same way we are going to see next operator. Insert is completed or not. We are going to insert multiple expressions. Okay, we are completed. Same way we are going to use names also. Name where ID like that we are using. Just we are going to use the same way here name and ID. Just I am going to I'm going to see next operator not null. I'm going to see Next operator not null. Okay, I'm going to stop this video.